Hello everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. It's me, Vinita. Today we are going to learn volume and surface area of cone. What is volume? Volume is how much stuff we can put inside a solid or the capacity of a solid. Here we have the solid, it is cone. So volume means what is the capacity or what is how much stuff we can put inside of this cone. So the volume of a cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now surface area. Surface area is the sum of area of all the sides of a solid. For our cone we have two surfaces. One is the base, other is the curved surface area. This is the curved surface. So area of base plus curved surface area will be the total surface area of the cone. Here the base is in the shape of a circle, area of circle is pi r square, then curved surface area will be pi r l. L is representing the slant height or slope of the cone. Now surface area, total surface area of cone equal to pi r square plus pi r l. Now we can start the question. Question number 1. Volume and surface area of cone. A cone has a circular base of radius 6 cm and a slant height of 10 cm. Find the total surface area of the cone. Here there is given the radius of the cone and the slant height, that means L. So we can write radius equal to 6 cm and the slant height L equal to 10 cm. It is having the circular base of a radius, it is having 6 cm and the length it is 10 cm. We have to find the total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone equal to pi r square, that means the area of the base, plus pi r l, that is the area of the curved surface. So the total surface area of cone equal to pi r square plus pi r l. So pi r square means pi, you can use the value 22 by 7 or 3.142. So pi r square it is, I am using the same pi, multiply r square, r is 6, so 6 square plus pi multiply r is 6 and L is 10. So this is 36 pi plus 60 pi. 36 pi plus 60 pi will be 96 pi. Then we can change the value of pi, that is 96 multiply 22 by 7. Instead of 22 by 7 you can use 3.142 also. You will get the same answer. Here we cannot reduce, so we can multiply 96 into 22. (2112) divided by 7. We can divide 2112 divide with 7. When it is smaller than 7 we can add 0, keep 2 down, put point, add 0, 7 sevens are 49. It will continue like this. So we can conclude the answer is 301.7 centimeter square, because area we have to choose centimeter square. Now question number 2. A cone has a circular base of radius 8 centimeter and volume of 320 pi centimeter cube. Find the height of the cone. We know that the volume of cone equal to The formula it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here there is given radius, it is 8 centimeter, and the volume it is 320 pi. So radius given 8 centimeter and the volume it is 320 pi. So 320 pi equal to 1 by 3 pi, r will be 8, so 8 square into height. So 320 pi equal to 64 pi by 3 into h. 8 8s are 64, 64 pi by 3. Then for finding the value of h, we have to take all the other terms into another side. Here 64 pi divided by 3, so we have to take 3 into another side. Division going to another side, it will become multiplication. 64 pi multiplied by h. So multiplication when it is going to another side, it will become division equal to h. Pi and pi we can cancel. 320 into 3 here divided by 64. Here 64 and 320 is there in table 2. It is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 16s are 32 and 0. 32 and 160 are there in table 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 40. 8 and 40 it is in table 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 5. So 5 into 3. So h equal to 15 centimeter. Thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.